Welcome back. This is the Pythagorean theorem section. You probably remember this from last year. Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. It works only on right triangles, so make sure it's a right triangle. A and b are the legs, and c is the hypotenuse. In this case, 12 and 9 are the legs. I do not care which one you make A and which one you make B. 12 squared is 144, and 9 squared is 81. I type that straight into my calculator, these two, and I get 225 equals c squared. Last step in Pythagorean theorem is always to take the square root. C is 15. You know you're in good shape because the hypotenuse is always the longest side, and 15 is definitely longer than 9 and 12. The other one I'd like to do is number 5. Sometimes I need to turn my paper so that the right angle is at the bottom. Now I see I have A, B, and C, and I'm actually solving for leg this time. So I will have A squared plus 5 squared equals 13 squared. This one involves showing the algebra. 5 squared is 25. 13 squared is 169. Subtract 25. A squared equals 144. Last step in Pythagorean theorem is always square root. A equals 12. And I like to think, does that make sense? Is my hypotenuse still the longest? Yep, 13 is definitely bigger than the 12. Those are your two Pythagorean theorem examples.